Now, if you don't have Azure Active Directory, it's as simple as going into the marketplace. So you click the green plus sign, search for Active Directory, and you'll see Azure Active Directory listed among the results. We say create, then it's very simple to create an Active Directory. You give it a name, and then you basically have to create a domain name, which is .onmicrosoft.com. So you basically give it an initial domain name and your organizational name, pick your region, and then click create, and Microsoft will create for you an empty, free Azure Active Directory. Now I'm just going to use the Active Directory that I've previously created. You can see that my organization name is Scott's Course Outlook and the domain name is scottscourseoutlook.onmicrosoft.com. This is an Azure free account. And the basic concept with Azure Active Directory, the core of it, is going to be around users, groups, and roles. Okay, and now you add applications into your Active Directory, and they can basically be assigned roles and permissions based on that. So if I go into the users section, I can see that I've previously created 3 users, 2 of them being members of my Active Directory and 1 being an external B2B guest user. And I can very easily manually add more users, up to 500,000, to my free account simply by just going and adding a new user into here. Okay. Now those users can then be grouped into perhaps their roles. So if you have, your customers are using your application, then you can create a customers group and you can have members of that group. And based on the membership of the group, they might have certain permissions within your application. Employees, supervisors, accounting department, IT department, developers. You can create groups of similar people and then assign users to that group.